Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button like your life depends on it, because today it just might. We're talking about a gadget that's not just smart, but life-saving. I'm reviewing the IQYEF 4-in-1 Carbon Monoxide Detector, a device that does so much, I'm convinced it was built by a team of overachieving engineers with way too much coffee. So grab a snack, stay alert, and let's dive in before your toaster decides to start a gas leak. Let's go! This little device right here may look like a simple wall plug-in, but it's actually a 4-in-1 safety beast. It detects carbon monoxide, natural gas leaks, temperature, humidity, all in one sleek, compact unit that you can plug in or run on battery. And yes, it's got an HD display so crisp you'll think it's trying to stream Netflix. First things first, let's talk design. The IQYEF detector is compact and lightweight. It's about 3.4 inches tall, 2 inches wide, and less than an inch thick. It fits anywhere. Your kitchen, bedroom, RV, garage. Heck, if you're paranoid, even the bathroom. It's built with durable plastic, which is code for won't break if your toddler tries to feed it cereal. It runs on AC power, 110V to 220V, so it's globally compatible. But here's where it gets cool. It also has a built-in 3000 mAh battery backup. That's 24 hours of life-saving sass, even during a blackout. So even when your whole house goes dark, this thing is still watching your back like a loyal gas-sniffing ninja. The display? Chef's kiss. It shows real-time levels of CO from 0 to 2000 ppm and natural gas levels from 0 to 10% LEL. You also get temperature and humidity readouts, so it's basically a weather station that yells at you when things go boom. Now this is where the magic happens. The dual alert system includes a loud 85 dB alarm and flashing red lights. And when I say loud, I mean you'll drop your sandwich loud. If carbon monoxide levels hit 150 ppm or gas reaches 5%, Liel, this baby goes full DEFCON 1. It's not messing around. Setup? Ridiculously easy. Plug it in, peel off the protective film. Seriously, don't forget that part unless you want to read your reflection instead of your CO levels. Then let it sit for 180 seconds to acclimate. Press the self-test button and boom, it's ready to be your new home safety overlord. Okay, let's be real. There are a ton of carbon monoxide detectors on Amazon. So why should you buy this one? Other detectors, single function. This one? 4-in-1. Other detectors only work with power. This one? Battery backup. Other detectors beep like a microwave. This one? Alarm that would wake a sleeping bear. Other detectors? No display. This one? HD, color, numbers, glorious. It's like comparing a flip phone to a smartphone. You could buy a basic detector, but that's like bringing a fork to a soup party. I tested it in my kitchen while cooking, in the garage while running equipment, and even in my RV during a weekend camping trip. Everywhere I took it, it delivered accurate, fast readings. The display updated in real time. The peace of mind. Chef's kiss again. For those who like to geek out, here's some specs. Sensor type. Electrochemical. Upper temp rating, 120 foam. Power consumption, less than 2 W, so your electric bill will survive. Manufacturer, Shenzhen Huidu Technology Koshu Limited. Alarm volume, over 85 decibels. Translation, loud. Color, white, clean, modern, minimalist. IKEA would be proud. Just a heads up, it's important to press the test button regularly, especially after setup. And don't block it with furniture, curtains, or your cousin Larry who always leans on the walls. Alright, final verdict time. If you're looking for just a carbon monoxide detector, this might be too much awesome for you. But if you want a device that monitors CO, natural gas, temperature, and humidity, all while looking good and yelling when something's wrong, then this is absolutely the one to buy. I mean, come on. It's basically the Iron Man of gas safety. I've dropped a link in the description so you can grab your own IQYEF 4-in-1 carbon monoxide detector on Amazon. Don't wait until your oven stages a rebellion. Get ahead of the danger. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your wildest gas leak survival story, and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews that won't put you to sleep. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.